In iPhone, we can easily lock any app using passcode or Face ID using shortcut app. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps with shortcut. First of all, go to your App Store and search for shortcut. Make sure to install the shortcut app on your iPhone. Once done, go ahead and launch the shortcut app. And now come to this shortcut section and now tap on this plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap on add action and in this search box you have to type lock screen and select lock screen and tap on done. Once you created lock screen shortcut, now go to automation and tap on new automation. Here scroll down and select app and tap on choose next to app. And here you will find all of your iPhone apps. From here you will be able to easily select one or multiple apps to lock. So let's select Discord, Facebook and Instagram to lock. Now tapping on done. Now here select is opened and select run immediately and disable notify when run and then tap on next. Now tap on my shortcuts and now you have to select lock screen shortcut. Once done, I'm going to opening my Facebook app. As you can see, my screen is locked. Let's try to open Instagram app. The same way, as you can see, my screen is locked. To unlock my screen, I have to verify my Face ID or my passcode. So this is how we can actually lock apps with shortcut. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.